Hey, what's going on, world? It's your nutritional wellness guy, me, Chef D, and we're gonna do a classic today. We're gonna do my garlic parmesan party wings, and you got it. We're gonna do it the Chef D way, which simply means a healthier you, the healthiest way. Now, before I can introduce the true stars of this episode, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Like this video, I truly appreciate it. But more importantly than those two things, share this with somebody in your life who you truly care about when it comes to their nutrition and wellness journey. Let's introduce the stars. So today's episode is going to be fairly simple. I mean, we don't have a lot of ingredients. This is a really fresh take on the traditional garlic parmesan recipe. So we do have our party wings, flats, and drums. I know there's always an ongoing war with that. We can't do wings without the Chef D blend. We have some sea salt. We're going to cut up some fresh garlic on camera. We have about 2 tablespoons of real butter today. We have about a half a cup of grated Parmesan and about a 1/4 cup of olive oil. All right, let's get right into it. So we're going to dump our wings right into there. It's okay if it has some liquid left on there that you rinsed it off with. We're going to put mostly all of that in there. We'll save a little bit to brush the bottom of our air fryer. I'll put all of this in there. We're going to put air in there. We're just going to mix it. I mean, you could use a pair of tongs, a spoon, some gloves. I like to touch my food. Make sure they all get some love. Hey, how you doing, you? Yeah, I appreciate you. You just gotta talk to your food. That's what Aunt Monique says. Just gotta talk to your food. And again, just mix it, touch it, you know? Make sure all the ingredients are fully incorporated. And that's that. Let that sit. Wash your hands. All right. Then we'll bring our air fryer into the picture. And we'll take the rest of this. Now, had someone email me. And again, if you want to email me, you sure can. thechefdbrand@gmail.com. And they asked, why do you put oil at the bottom of your pan? And what happens is most of the air fryers traditionally are non-stick, but as you continue to wash and scrub and clean, it loses some of that. So now we're going to use a pair of tongs. And remember the rule, don't stack. Make sure that they all are spread out. I mean, you can pile them up, that they're pretty close to each other, but we do not stack when it comes to the air fryer, especially wings. What we're looking for is that crispy outer texture, and the way to get that, look at this little one right here. Aw. The way to get that is by making sure that the air can touch the top of all of them. Usually it comes under and all in, you know, all that fun stuff. So those who are cooking this in the oven, you can get the same results, but you try to use a sheet tray with, let's see if I have one. Yeah, hear all that banging? A sheet tray with a wire rack. So that way, as it's cooking, the juices fall right off. This is a good investment. I have this little guy for the air fryer, but I usually don't need it. Now, remember I said no stacking, but we can squeeze them in there. They all might not make this trip. Let's put one in there. That's it, that's pushing it. I know you're tempted to put them in there, but you can't. Let's get into the air fryer. All right. Put that bad boy in there. So we're gonna turn it on at 380. We want that crisp, and we're going to cook the time for 28 minutes. Oh, that's what we're looking for. That's the love that we're looking for. Let them cool down a little bit. So usually like I tell you all, don't dump it in there. But today we gonna dump. We're gonna borrow some of that we're gonna borrow some of that oh yeah. It's not a bad thing, trust me. Let's mix that around a little bit. That chicken flavoring. Oh boy. And mind you, we cook with olive oil. So the beautiful part about that is got a healthier fat in there. Oh, this smells amazing. Oh my God. Alright, we don't need that. Wait, we're not done. So, I realized these are gonna need a little bit more love. So we're gonna pop them right in here. Presentation side up. Oh yeah. Y'all thought we were finished. I had to hit y'all with the okie doke. Pop those in here. And we put the aluminum foil because I do not want any of the fat dripping off. I want it all to cook right inside. Oh yeah, that's it right there. That's what we want. Take some of this garlic and Parmesan mix. Keep it on there. Now we're not going to toss it anymore. Once it's finished this time, we're gonna just plate it. So that's why we're putting it on right now. Oh, that's gonna be good. All right, we're gonna stick it in there for about 8 minutes on 400. Okay, that's the love we needed. That's the love we were looking for. Oh my gosh, look at the caramelization on that. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell it. You'd be like, I want some, I want some. These smell amazing. All right, I'm gonna plate these and I'll meet you guys over at the dinner table. You know how we do. I can tell you how it really tastes. Whew. Yeah, I know I'm gonna bring my own plate to the party. My bad, let me scoot over. All right. So we realized that we needed to put those back in the air fryer, which is cool. You know, you'll see that sometimes. Don't worry why I'm putting 3 to taste it. It's just how I want a little bit of, I'll just being greedy. That's why I have 3, all right? Anywho, but no, seriously, we when we took them out the air fryer the first time and tossed them around, there was an opportunity. And don't be afraid of opportunities. Don't be afraid to play around with stuff where you can say, how can I make this even better? If you didn't have the air fryer, then you would be putting it right back in the oven for about 10 minutes, you know? You just wanna get that crisp on there and also activate some of those ingredients, the fresh garlic, the butter, that Parmesan, and I'm glad we did that. This is it. All right, here we go. I'm trying to be like, hold it hot. So first off the bat, you know when you bite something and the flavor's like on your lips and you're like, that's what's going on right now. Like garlic. The Parmesan. This is a great wing. Really clean. I mean, again, we use olive oil and we let it cook. Look, we let it cook in the air fryer, or you could put it in the oven on a rack and let that fat drip off. But we reincorporated some of that flavor back into the wing, and it paid off. This is amazing. Oh, for all the flats out there, I know y'all, the people who love flats. This is it. And remember, health is wealth, and I'm just here to make sure you're getting paid. I need some water. Until next time, yum on. Thanks for joining me, you all.